Wake up, work, sleep, repeat. Congrats, you've officially unlocked level 1 of the rat race. The bad news? There's no finish line. The good news? You can escape. What is the rat race? The rat race is like being stuck on a treadmill, but instead of burning fat, you're burning dreams. It's waking up to an alarm you hate, working a job you don't love, to pay for stuff you don't need. Sound familiar? Yep, you're not alone. Reality check. Here's a brutal truth. Most jobs won't make you rich, just tired. They pay you just enough to keep you coming back. Kind of like an unhealthy relationship. And the boss? He's not a villain, just someone who escaped the maze before you. Step 1. Change your mindset. Rich people don't work for money. Money works for them, like a loyal employee that never sleeps. Meanwhile, most of us treat money like it's Beyoncé. We admire it from afar, but never dare approach it. Step 2. Start income streams. Want to quit the rat race? You need more doors out. Side hustle, digital products, stocks, real estate. Passive income is your golden ticket. Because honestly, money that shows up while you're eating pizza, that's the dream. Step 3. Live smart. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean your fridge needs to drive a Tesla. Keep your expenses low and your goals high. Remember, flexing is expensive. Freedom is priceless. Step 4. Buy assets, not liabilities. iPhone 15 Pro Max? Nice. Apple stocks? Nicer. They might buy you all the iPhones later. Be the person who owns the rental house, not the one who pays rent late with a sad face emoji. Escaping the rat race isn't instant ramen. It takes time. But every little move, saving, learning, investing, puts you closer to the exit. And trust me, life outside the maze? Way better snacks. If you're serious about escaping the rat race, start today. Like this video, hit subscribe, and comment below. What's your first step toward freedom? Let's escape together. No cheese traps this time.